Boys and girls, please write your first name, last name, and date on this top line. Needs or wants. People can spend money on needs or wants. Needs are things we cannot live without. We need a home, food, water, clothing, and love. Wants are things that are nice to have, but we do not need them to survive. You're going to look at each item and decide whether it is a need or want. Then you're going to write need or want on the line. So the first picture is rollerblades. Is that a need or a want? Write it here, please. Ice cream. Need or want? Sunscreen. Need or want? A house. Need or want? Water. Need or want? A doll. Need or want? Bonus, aka challenge, also a must-do. Nika and her parents bought fresh vegetables for a healthy salad. They also bought ice cream for dessert. Which one is a need? Which one is a want? So make sure you use a full sentence and tell me which one is a need and which one is a want.